Today, India and Brazil, we share a very dynamic relationship. We share a very forward-looking and I would even say futuristic relationship. It's really a very, very vast relationship, reflecting the size of the economies of both countries. We are actively engaged, for example, in biofuels, in ethanol. We have jointly established a global biofuel alliance. जब हम इंडिया में बात करते हैं about 20% target for the ethanol mix. Naturally, Brazil is a natural partner for us in terms of sharing the technology about ethanol and sharing the technology about flex fuel, and also in terms of the policy framework. So we work very closely with Brazil on that, and we are also working very actively in very essential items such as pulses. Today Brazil is an important supplier of pulses to India. Tur dal and sare, it's all coming from tur and urad is coming from Brazil. Quite a lot of it is coming to India from Brazil, and similarly soy oil is coming in large quantity from Brazil, and we are also working with them to produce sunflower oil and palm oil also. And uske sath, when you look at also for the farmers, we are working very actively in the agricultural front also, because Brazil is also a major producer of most of the commodities, and there's a lot of scope for us to exchange technology and share knowledge and experiences. And we're also working together in the field of cattle, cattle genomics. That's a very important area of engagement between our two countries. Then moving away from this, we're also actively engaged in the defense front. Today, we have an active partnership on the strategic umbrella. We have many defense companies which are invested in India, and our companies are looking to open factories in Brazil because of the large market and the potential to supply. And on the technology front, we are active partners in the space. We are actively working on quantum computing. We are also working actively on the digital public infrastructure. How can we share this message of the digital public infrastructure in Brazil and abroad? So we are actively working on multiple areas of engagement with Brazil.